Hello YouTube, we're going to show you how we're going to make a metal scribe out of a quick type ink pen. There's your spring. Okay, this measured 3/32. Everything's magnetic. And I've already tested and it clicks and it works. Okay, I just need to figure out how to put this on there. You know where your spring goes on. And we all know that's what stops your spring from going up. How I can kind of mush that out a little bit right there. So we're going to spend some time on it. Everything's magnetic. You know, it's kind of handy on some stuff. You can't get rid of it in here. In fact, I think my belt sander even makes stuff magnetized. Here, wrong thing. Oh. And make the hole a little bit bigger. See that? And I just did that by hand like a rasp, because it just drug a little bit in there more than the ink pen did. Okay, let's get to work. We'll make this whatever out here and show you what we did to make it work. Okay, this hasn't been easy. I flattened that and mashed it. I ended up mashing the spring because you look at this, it's got some pretty good sized ears on it, so it sticks out. Just a prototype, whatever works, and we did stretch the spring. Okay, then we done put it together and click it, and find out how long it has to be where when you unclick it don't poke out. So the whole idea is not to poke yourself, so you don't want the point sticking out. So we determined that. We're going to harden this, flame harden this, so this isn't so soft. I doubt it'll bend pushing this in and out, but just on the safe side. And like when we make the point, we'll get it red hot with one of our turbo lighters and put some water on it. It does make the steel a little bit harder. Remember, this is not hard tool steel, it's just a piece of welding rod. But it will scratch on plastic and metal. We'll test it. So, stay tuned. I'm trying not to belch on camera. Drink another drink. I can drink another drink of soda pop. That's what does it. And I got it to work. It could have been a little longer tip, but we wanted to go up inside there enough where you won't get poked. It'll make a scratch. That's all we wanted. Simple little project. I ordered a few of these as a sample. They're not that good of quality, so I didn't order anymore. This one's even bent and warped. They are pretty cheap. It wasn't quality enough. It does have that spring in there, you know, extra. There is an extra spring. See that? They're not very good quality. This is even plastic. They're not any good. Trust me. There you go. Thanks for watching. I'll take a picture there. I kind of mangling how I got the spring to work, but as long as it works, that's all that matters. And I really stretched it too. So thanks for watching. We're out of here.